Exploring the phrase, wipeout, in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, wipeout. This word has multiple meanings and is commonly used in various contexts. Stick around to understand its different uses and applications. Wipeout, in its most literal sense, refers to the act of completely removing or erasing something. It can be used when referring to cleaning a board or erasing written content. For example, please wipe out the chalkboard so I can write the new lesson. All the data on my computer got wiped out due to a virus. One of the most popular usages of the word, wipeout, is in the context of surfing and extreme sports. Here, it describes a situation where a surfer or athlete falls off their board or fails in a trick attempt. It can often be a dramatic fall or failure. For example, did you see that surfer's wipeout? The wave was huge. He attempted that skateboard trick but had a major wipeout. Wipeout is not just limited to the literal or sporting context. It's made its way into pop culture as well. You might come across songs, shows, or game titles with the name Wipeout. In these cases, it often denotes challenge, excitement, and sometimes the element of risk or failure. When using the phrase in daily conversations, it's important to know the context to avoid any misunderstandings. Here are a couple of examples. I had a complete wipeout at the gym today, meaning, I fell or failed dramatically at the gym. The company's profits were a wipeout this quarter, meaning, the company faced a significant loss. Wipeout is a versatile phrase in English, rich in meaning and used in various scenarios. From cleaning boards to thrilling sports falls, it adds flavor to conversations. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the word. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!